What if I told you that the next generation of millionaires isn't being created by hard work, luck, or connections, but by artificial intelligence? Right now, invisible algorithms are scanning data across the internet, identifying people, products, and opportunities most likely to explode in value. And those who understand how to position themselves within these AI systems are becoming rich almost overnight. For decades, success was a game of timing, talent, and opportunity. But in 2026, success is being quietly automated. AI now decides which businesses get promoted, which creators go viral, which investors win, and even which job seekers get hired. These invisible decision makers, powered by massive neural networks, are shaping who rises and who fades. You might think you're building your own path to success, but in reality, you're walking one designed by algorithms. And if you learn to understand how they work, you can use them to join the very few who rise to the top. The algorithmic gatekeepers of wealth. Every major platform, YouTube, TikTok, Shopify, Amazon, Upwork, runs on algorithms that determine visibility and success. AI decides which content trends, which products are shown to customers, and which freelancers get job offers. The people who understand these algorithms and how to feed them the right data are rewarded with massive exposure and revenue. The rest stay invisible. In today's economy, learning to please AI is the new financial literacy, the rise of predictive career AIs. Recruitment platforms now use AI to predict future high earners. By analyzing education, online behavior, writing tone, and even social media engagement, these systems rank people based on their perceived potential to generate wealth. Those who score high are recommended for top-tier opportunities. In other words, AI has already started sorting who gets rich and who doesn't. AI's investors that pick winners before the market does. Private equity firms and venture capitalists now rely on AIs trained to detect early business success indicators. They scan millions of startups, founder histories, website metrics, and even linguistic patterns in emails to find hidden gems before humans notice them. If an AI model flags a startup as high potential, investors move quickly, sometimes before the founder even realizes how valuable their business could be. This means that artificial intelligence is quietly selecting tomorrow's millionaires before the public ever hears their names. The content millionaires AI is making every day. On social platforms, algorithms reward engagement, emotion, and watch time. Creators who learn to reverse engineer what these systems want, pacing, structure, tone, and timing, can build multi-million-dollar audiences in months. Meanwhile, others post endlessly and get buried by the algorithm's blind spots. In the digital age, creativity alone isn't enough. You have to think like an AI. The role of data bias in who succeeds. AI doesn't judge fairly, it judges based on data. That means those with access to better tools, education, or marketing data are more likely to be chosen by algorithms. This creates a new kind of inequality: algorithmic privilege. In 2026, it's not the smartest person who wins. It's the one who understands how to train the machine to see them as valuable. The hidden AI scoring systems you've never heard of? Banks, e-commerce platforms, and even gig apps now assign secret AI trust scores to users. These scores affect loan approvals, product rankings, and visibility in searches. A seller with a better AI score on Amazon, for example, might appear first, earning thousands more per month, while another with a lower score is buried. These invisible numbers determine income, opportunity, and influence, quietly selecting who thrives. The AI-driven investment portfolios of the future. AI tools like wealth bots and robo-investors are creating passive millionaires every day. They use complex learning systems to identify emerging markets, volatile stocks, and undervalued crypto before humans can react. The wealthy are training personal AIs that execute trades automatically, turning every small market movement into profit. For them, the phrase "money never sleeps" is literal. Their AI trades 24/7. AI created entrepreneurs. We're already seeing AI platforms that build entire businesses automatically. You input a few ideas, and the AI generates a product, brand, website, and marketing funnel in minutes. The people using these tools aren't working harder, they're working smarter. They leverage AI as silent co-founders, scaling ideas that would have taken teams of humans months to execute. In the next decade, AI-generated companies will dominate online commerce, and the people behind them will be the new millionaires. The feedback loop of success. AI systems reward past success with more visibility and opportunity. Once you've been labeled a high performer, the algorithms promote your work more aggressively. This creates a feedback loop where the rich and successful keep getting richer. Not because of talent alone, but because the algorithm recognizes them as valuable. Understanding this feedback loop and how to trigger it is how ordinary people become extraordinary success stories. How you can leverage this shift. Anyone can learn to position themselves for AI-driven success. By understanding algorithmic systems, SEO, engagement models, personalization engines, you can make AI work for you, not against you. Whether you're a creator, entrepreneur, or investor, every move should be made with AI visibility in mind. Those who ignore this will fade into digital obscurity. Those who master it will be chosen by the algorithm to join the next generation of millionaires. In the old world, wealth came from inheritance, connections, or timing. In the new world, it comes from understanding the machine. Artificial intelligence is no longer a neutral tool. It's the gatekeeper of success. And while most people live according to its rules without knowing it, the few who learn to bend those rules will write the next chapter of human wealth. Because in the algorithmic age, the question isn't if AI will choose the next millionaires, it's whether it will choose you.